Hey everyone, welcome back to another new video, which will be miniature food workers using. For this we use two tools like FreePik and Kling AI. You can create it in any aspect ratio. By creating these videos, you can attract the audience by uploading it in social media platform. I don't want to waste much time in giving information. So, let's start it without wasting more time. Firstly, you need to sign in FreePik. This we use for generate the images. And another tool is Kling AI, where we will generate video. In both tools, you need to sign in first so that you will get the free tokens. Let's begin with FreePik. Generate the image by clicking on this AI image generator. In this box, you need to write the prompt what you want to create. I have already written the prompt. I will just copy and paste it here. In mode, select the Flux 1.0 fast mode. Using this, you can create the images like 2, 4, 12 up to infinite. I just go with the 4 images. You will find here all aspect ratio. Select what you prefer. I choose the 16:9 ratio. Once you're done with the settings, click on the generate and wait for a few seconds. It will generate the images for you according your prompt. Once it's done, if you're happy with those images, just download it, or you can also regenerate it if you are not satisfied with the generator images. I will go with this image. In this also you can generate it into video by clicking on this reuse. But for this you need to upgrade it. I mean you need to buy paid version. So, what we do now, let's download this image and generate video using Kling AI tool. Go to Kling AI, then click on this AI video. Here select the frames, click inside this box, and then import the image you have downloaded. In the prompt section, just paste the prompt which we have used for generate the image. Just copy and paste it as it is. Then make some changes in settings. You can extend it for 10 seconds also, but I need just 5 seconds. And in below sections, don't do anything. Now click on this generate. It takes some time. You can see here it's showing estimated time is 2 minutes, so wait for to generate it. Once it's done, download it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Do not forget to give a like to this video, and please do subscribe the channel to get more updates on my new videos. Thank you for watching. I will meet you in another video.